want to start a YouTube review channel similar to this one, they are getting a whopping 14 million views each month in a movie-related niche. So these folks are raking in some serious cash. In this video, I'll teach you how to create videos like theirs without running into copyright issues and how to grow your channel quickly. First, let me break down what this person is doing. They're adding their own voiceover to explain the movie while showing clips from it. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of building a channel like this. Let me first break down how you can steer clear of copyright problems in these videos. To avoid copyright issues, we'll mainly use music and pictures that are free to use when we need them. However, our main focus will be on using short clips from movies. When these clips are short and we keep switching to different clips every few seconds, YouTube is less likely to flag us for copyright infringement. But the most important thing is to make our video unique. To do that, we must add voiceover and make some edits during the editing process. This way, our video becomes something original and less likely to run into copyright trouble. The first thing you need to do is to get the script for your video. There are a few ways you can do this. One way is to ask ChatGPT for explanations of movies. This has both good and bad sides. The good side is that it's the easiest way because ChatGPT will do all the work for you. However, there's a limitation. It's only available for older movies. That's because ChatGPT's information only goes up to 2021. So, if you want to make scripts for newer movies like Oppenheimer, you'll probably have to watch the entire movie and write the explanation in your own way. If you don't want to do that, you can also copy some information from articles on the internet or use IMDb. There's another way you can try as well. You can transcribe YouTube videos that explain the movie. Start by obtaining the video's URL. Then, navigate to a website called DupDub that has a handy transcription feature. Once you're on DupDub, take the video link you found earlier and paste it into the provided space. After pasting the URL, simply click on the transcribe button and DupDub will work its magic, transforming the spoken words in the video into written text. Copy this text and return to ChatGPT. Request ChatGPT to rephrase the text for you, and you'll have a polished script ready to captivate audiences and potentially go viral on the internet. Now, after creating the script, our next step is to generate the voiceover. To accomplish this, visit 11 Labs or any other text-to-speech tool you prefer. Once there, access the voice library, which offers a variety of different voices to explore. Experiment with a few of them and select the one that appeals to you the most. In my case, I chose a female voice. Then, proceed to Voice Lab and click on the Use option. Afterward, return to ChatGPT and copy the script we previously generated. I will copy a simple paragraph, and you can follow the same process for the entire script. Now let's listen and evaluate how it sounds.
The bulk of the film focuses on the development of the atomic bomb, and we witness Oppenheimer's gradual detachment from his moral compass. After World War II, he is alienated by his own government, and the final act of the film centers around the Trinity test, which is the pivotal event around which the entire movie revolves.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Now moving to the editing part to put everything together. You can use whatever editing software you like. If you can afford it, I recommend getting Adobe Premiere Pro because it's really good, but it can be expensive. If you don't have the money, you can use CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. In this video, we'll be using CapCut so that everyone can easily follow along. CapCut is free and user-friendly. To get it, go to capcut.com and click the Download for Windows button if you're using a Windows. If you have a Mac, don't worry, just click Download for Mac instead. Then, follow the usual installation steps. If you don't have a computer, that's okay. You can still use CapCut on your phone because it has versions for both iOS and Android. After preparing everything, start by importing the necessary files into CapCut. This includes the previously generated voice, clips from Oppenheimer that were downloaded from YouTube, background music, and some pictures to add a unique touch to the video. Place the voiceover into the sequence and remove any empty spaces to ensure smooth audio playback. Let's hear how it sounds.
The bulk of the film focuses on the development of the atomic bomb, and we witness Oppenheimer's gradual detachment from his moral compass. After World War II.
Now, proceed to drag and drop the movie clips into the sequence. If necessary, remove any unwanted movie intros. It's important to remember to cut the video every 5 to 10 seconds to avoid potential copyright issues, ensuring that scenes don't exceed this duration. Add some relevant pictures, such as adding a nuclear image when the voice mentions nuclear bomb, enhancing the originality of the content. Continue this process throughout the entire video. Additionally, include background music, adjusting its volume to avoid annoying viewers. Apply filters and transitions by going to the filter options and selecting the clear effect, adjusting it to fit the entire video. Add left transitions between every pair of clips, choosing transitions and filters based on your video's genre. For added visual appeal, apply animations to the pictures by selecting them and accessing the animation settings. Finally, let's review the entire video, and when satisfied, proceed to export it to your computer as the finished product. Now let's watch the last result together.
The bulk of the film focuses on the development of the atomic bomb, and we witness Oppenheimer's gradual detachment from his moral compass. After World War II, he is alienated by his own government, and the final act of the film centers around the Trinity test, which is the pivotal event around which the entire movie revolves.
That looks professional. Now let's create a thumbnail. First, obtain an image from the movie you are using and import it into Photoshop. Create a project with dimensions 1920 by 1080, then resize the image to fit the entire screen. Next, apply some filters to make it more eye-catching. To do this, navigate to Filters and select Camera Raw Filters. Use the following settings. Afterward, we'll add some text. I'll write Oppenheimer in a large font, resize it, and change the color of the first part. You can find the font name in the description. Now just upload the video into YouTube and you are good. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and check out my email list down below if interested. Watch this tutorial if interested too.